Is it time for your kid to get a haircut? Well, there was a new Groovy studio that offers, I love that word, groovy.
Did you say groovy?
I said groovy. All right. It offers cuts and styles for rockers of all ages.
Oh, Allie McKay is live from Rockin' Cuts in Beverly Hills. Now, Allie, is the mullet actually a cut that you could get at Rockin' Cuts?
I believe so. Why would you? I believe Department of Social Services would be called if you're coming in for a mullet. And they should be called. Kids, don't get mullets, please. This is Rockin' Cuts. This is Martin. You're here to explain the first haircut for a kid can be somewhat daunting, but you guys make it really fun here. Tell me kind of what Rockin' Cuts by Nadia is all about.
Well, we're really one of the more unique places that's around. We're fairly new, but Nadia, who happens to be my mother-in-law, and I know you're not supposed to go into business with your mother-in-law, but I happen to.
You don't look beaten down at all. You look very vibrant, very alive.
Very alive, and actually I've survived well.
Good.
And so Nadia here is, she's been cutting hair and doing styling for families and kids in Beverly Hills for 30 years, even though she doesn't look it.
No, not at all. Very good. When she watches us later and sees that, total points.
That's right. So she's giving Benjamin here a little wash, and then we're going to take Benjamin over and give him a cut. And she's really an expert with kids, and then of course with their parents.
And that's the thing. A lot of places you go to get your kid's haircut, you're sitting there waiting. Here, you could be not only getting your hair done, you can be getting a blowout. So it's one-stop shopping.
It is one-stop shopping, and what's really interesting also is that I happen to be a rock and roll fan, like everyone else, and so we designed the place so that it's kind of a 60s, 70s vibe, and we bring in and introduce the kids to rock and roll music. Like right now, we're showing the 25th anniversary Rock and Roll Hall of Fame show.
Very good.
And so the kids really love it, and it's just an amazing thing for them.
And okay, so he's like, the light, it's too bright. I'm trying to have a relaxing haircut. I know, when this happens at my salon, I get very annoyed, very annoyed. So he gets put up into this car, which
right.
I'm sure a lot of little boys and little girls alike love.
Yeah,
so
love
now they're gonna get in there, and you're gonna talk about what style you want for your child. And what's your name? Wendy, back at the station, totally forgot your name, sorry about that, was asking about the mullet. Can people come in and get the mullet?
You know what? If they want the mullet, they can do the mullet. I don't recommend the mullet, particularly for, you know, Benjamin here is 3 years old.
Benjamin is not getting a mullet. No. Benjamin has great curls. We're just maybe going to do a little trim. Oh, we're having a little meltdown. Everything will be fine. Oh, see, and that's where Nadia comes in with the toys, right? We
have toys. We have distractions, and, you know, she's amazing with children. What can I say?
This was all perfect on cue. We said, Benjamin, we're going to need you to maybe get a teeny bit fussy, but then go back to being darling and cute. And he totally understands.
He gets it, and really all the kids get it. I mean, it's just, and we do the baby's first haircut as well here, and that is probably one of the more challenging things that you would find in this business. But Nadia has been doing it so long that it's just, it's second nature to her.
So how many pictures is Nadia in, do you think, all over people's homes? Because everyone comes in for that first haircut and takes that picture with the stylist.
I hate to say, and I don't want to embarrass her, but there's thousands.
Thousands. There you go.
Literally thousands. And you know, there's some notable people. We happen to be in Beverly Hills, and so, you know, I don't know, you know, the Hilton sisters, for instance, they started with her, the Kardashian girls.
Right.
And so, you know, I mean, the list goes on and on.
Well, let me say, it takes a very special person to work with children, and then an extremely special person to work with children with scissors in their hands. Because let's be honest, one move, Benjamin could have a mullet. Benjamin could have a mullet, but that's not going to happen. When we check in, we're going to see how Benjamin's haircut looks. And this darling little face right here is going to get her hair in a bob, a cute little bob. Aww. Look at this face. Hello. Oh, she's like, I'm not in the mood to be on TV. By 6 or 7 o'clock, these kids, their SAG cards will kick in. Everything will be great. I promise.
All right,
it'll be
Allie
amazing.
McKay, thank you, Allie.
Thanks, Allie. Nothing says rock and roll like a mullet cut. I'm just going to say that. Did you ever have the mullet? Come
Absolutely.
On, you did.
No, you didn't.
I rocked the mullet. I think there's a picture somewhere circulating around here with the mullet.
Did you have like curls for the girls going on in the back?
It was.
Wow.
Listen, I owned it, and I'm not afraid to say it. Okay. not afraid to say it. It was nothing was better back in the 80s.
I can see you doing it. I can see you rocking it.
Absolutely.
And nothing's better than blackmail in the new century.
Listen, I just throw it out there.
We're going to contact your wife and get a hold of that picture.
It's already here somewhere. It's yeah. I just get out in front of the story, Chris. I know that mullet picture's coming up at some point, so I might as well just own it right now. 60 degrees downtown, 62 LAX.